Okay, so here we have a SKS practice lock. Get the Whitebelt. Gonna use top to keyway tension. There's 3 pins in this. I can tell you which ones are missing. First one's missing. Pin in 2, pin in 3, pin in 4, and 5 is empty. So just make sure they're all reset. Start at the beginning. We'll check 2. 2 not sticking. 3 no binding. 4 maybe it's binding on 4. I'm not sure if I got that one. I'll go back to the start. 2 nothing. Bit of binding on 3 maybe. My hands are in the way. We'll reset anyway. 2 nothing. 3 nothing. 4 got something there. Oh, and there we have it. So I know some of these are cutaways, but this one isn't. Just show you. 3 pins there. Might see the pins. I don't think so, just the back one. Okay, thank you.